Okay guys, today I'm actually going hiking. I'm just warming up my car, but my friend is hosting like a little hiking event for like brothers and sisters in Christ. So I'm on my way there now. It's at Shiva's Breast, which is, I think that's Velvet Monkey in Eswatini. So I'm gonna go there. I don't know, I might stop if I have time and pick up some donuts for everyone, because they said like bring something if you want. So maybe I'll do that. But yeah, I'm hoping I'm not late. It's 12:30. I'm kind of late. Let's go. I also don't know who is going to be there, because like I've been to 2 youth events at the church, so I know a few people there, but I don't know like everyone, because I went last year. So there's obviously like new people, and I don't know the people that she invited, so I'm a bit scared and nervous, because guys, I get so nervous when talking to people, because I'm not a big conversationalist. I just will sit in the corner and mind my business. And after hiking, I'm going to an anime event. An anime event in Mbaban. I might go with Santino. He's supposed to meet me there, but knowing the child, I don't know. So we're just gonna see for now. Thank you. It's okay. Thank you. I'm going up for the hike.
Let me just register you very quickly.
Okay.
Yes, you will.
Oh. Ow! Why are you sitting down here? God. This is what it feels like being early. Have you ever done this hike before?
No, not this one. And you're from church? Have you?
Yes.
How was it?
Twice. I didn't make it up twice. My goodness.
Hi, welcome to Kama's YouTube channel.
You know I put you in last time. But where's everyone? I don't know most of the people on the group.
It's Andrew. Okay. Kama, you know what? Yesterday when I saw your name, like on the group, like your contact, I was like, oh my god.
2 minutes and she said, no, that's just some old lady. We are looking crazy. I mean, the first one's here.
I'm there pressing my foot down. The traffic is not.
I was literally on 140 coming this side.
I can see my petrol case.
Yo.
Oh no. Yeah.
Can you pick one now? No, pull out the outfit, not these big shoes. Yeah, guys, we've made it. Yeah. Wait, what's our starting time? What's the time now? How long will it take us? Is it like 2 hours? 3 hours. Yeah.
I'm already dying. Yeah, wait.
Oh, damn.
No. What is it there? Don't press it on.
I'm sweating now.
Like, it's getting worse by the minute.
Yo, This one. To walk. Yes. Yes. Guys, we need to take like a serious break.
Be careful.
Hey.
Who's ideal?
Like, honestly. No, I'm telling you. Yeah.
Yeah, girl, I like that. I literally told you.
Trust me.
I was here. Where are we going?
They go in the forest loop. And that's the way I got lost last time.
Please, my brother, be so hard on navigation. Tammy is saying that they've been through this route before and they lost the trail.
Yeah.
Like, I guess it's so finicky. Yeah. So I'm just asking one of you guys who has a sense of gratitude to be.
I don't know if this is this the actual cave?
I don't know. I also feel like this has to be a cavier cave, right?
This just looks like a rock. Queen.
Tammy, no. I didn't say you're recording too.
Oh, I like that. Yeah. Wait, guys.
You got this.
Wait.
Little tiny break. What in the world? Oh, how do you get up here? Where's Andrew? We're gonna make Andrew Carlo care.
Yo. Shalom really has energy.
Yeah.
We finally made it to the top. It's taken us like what, 2.5 hours to get here. But we're here. I'm not sure if there's another route going back down. I have to go back the other route because it's so steep. But look at this. Oh, that's gorgeous. That's lovely. I'm sweating like a dog. And I'm so tired now. Oh my word, look where everyone else is. Okay, I just finished with the hiking event and it was so nice. Like I met so many new people and nice people, and now I'm rushing to the anime event because it ran a bit longer than what I anticipated or expected. But now the thing is, I don't know where this place is. Like, and you know GPS, the GPS is so vague, but I'm rushing there. I'm gonna have to change in the car because I didn't have time to change. And like this guy, like Uti. Okay, let me just find this place and sort this out first. Okay, I made it to the event. I'm like an hour, it's like an hour before they close. So, yeah, but nervous. My feet is also.
And no matter how much I want to fight with the guy who called Full Metal Alchemist a mecha, we still accept you. We accept all of you.
Oh my god!
Inosuke. We don't cheer for Inosuke, guys. We don't cheer for Inosuke. Inosuke is boy. We don't cheer for you, Inosuke.
Inosuke is the best! Inosuke is the strongest!
No.
Inosuke can move!
Zenitsu is the strongest. Our first judge is gonna pick his top cosplay. Robin, please can you pick? Oh, and he picks Captain Yummy. Talk about being picked there, folks. Now we'll have Maki pick her top.
Maki! 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 Maki!
But thank you guys. That's my pick.
Third person will be picked by Inosuke. Unfortunately, to the rest of the other cosplayers, you did not make it, but we love you guys nevertheless. So please may you guys take your seats. Woo! Give it up for power! Although she's going by Maki, can we all give a shout out to the founder, Yamir?
Back from the anime event, I am tired as a dog. I didn't really get any clips of my outfit, but I was basically dressed up as Kakugiru. This was my outfit. I forgot my socks at home, so that I went hiking in, which was so dirty. And yeah, that was my outfit. The event was so nice. It was just, I was so tired, so I was hanging on by a thread in there. But now I am gonna go hop in the shower and just sleep because I am dog tired. I literally woke up at 7:30. I iced a cake, then I went for the hiking, then I went for the anime event, and now I'm home. Thank the Lord, I'm home safely. But yeah, it was a long day.